Hey everyone, welcome back to PTE NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohit. Now in today's video, I am going to share with you all the 100 most repeated collocations for this particular year, most important collocations I would say for this particular year. First of all, collocations, the words that come together, group of two words. So those words will help you to solve your fill in the blanks reading and also the fill in the blanks reading plus writing, extremely important. So what I'll do is I'll speak out all those words in a group. Just pay attention. Now, two things can be done. You can either take notes of this video when I'm speaking the group of words. You can even write them down in your notebook, or you can just plug in your headphones, anything, and just pay attention, listen to all the words. Repeat this video again and again every single day, just while even you're traveling, and you can just pop in your headphones, listen to them. Because if you listen to this video multiple times and if you get the same set of words in the real exam in the form of blanks, your brain will be able to recall some of the words that you already heard in the video, and that in return will help you to get more blanks correct, which is, I would say, one of the most challenging topics in the PTE exam. So brace yourselves, pay attention, and I'm just going to speak all the words, all the group of words one by one now. Starting with the first one. So I'll speak the group of words once, very clearly, slowly, and a bit loudly, just so that your brain can retain those words. And then, like I said, you can repeat the video multiple times. Academic journal. Academic performance. Acceptable behavior. Accurate information. Achieve a goal. Acquire knowledge. Active involvement. Active participation. Advanced economy. Advanced technology. Adversely affect. Adversely affect. Allocate resources. Allow access. Alternative model. Ample evidence. Annual conference. Analytical tool. Annual review. Apply equally. Appropriate behavior. Appropriate treatment. Armed conflict. Artificial intelligence. Assume the role. Available evidence. Average score. Background knowledge. Basic information. Basic function. Basic premise. Bear resemblance. Become independent. Become widespread. Best described. Biological science. Brief description. Business sector. Career opportunity. Careful consideration. Carefully controlled. Casual relationship. Cause consequences. Central importance. Central government. Characteristic feature. Classic study. Clear boundary. Clearly related. climatic conditions, cognitive ability, collective identity, combined effect, commit an offense, common culture, commonly encountered, compelling reason, complex situation, comprehensive account, comprehensive framework, considerable amount, considerable research, contemporary debate, contextual factors, continuous process, convincing evidence, cover a topic, critical analysis, critical evaluation, defining characteristic, directly involved, documentary evidence, dominant ideology, dramatic increase, educational opportunity, effective communication, employ a technique, encourage the development, environmental consequences, environmental pollution, ethical question, evolutionary process, experimental evidence, fairly straightforward, federal, state, firmly established, flexible approach, frequently available, functional requirement, fundamentally different, gather information, general statement, government expenditure, highly controversial, highly competitive, immediately apparent, increasing complexity, legislative measures, military action, natural light, objective reality, and numerous studies. So these were the most important collocation words that I wanted to share with you. Listen to this video again and again, listen to this audio again and again, because you never know if you end up getting the same repeated, same collocation words even in the exam. What would happen is they would be giving you one word and another one would be given as a blank. In that case, if you have listened to this audio again and again, it will make your job a lot easier in the exam because you would be able to find out the correct answer by just combining those two collocating words. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any sort of questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. All the best if you have got your exams coming soon. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video.